All right, so in this video, I'm just going to show we have these two objectives, right? The first thing I'm going to do in this video is build a MACD strategy. The second thing I'm going to do is build this RSI-2 strategy, which is from Larry Connor's book, Short-Term Strategies That Work. But I just want to show how simple it is to test these things in Build Alpha so you can actually find out if they work or not. So the MACD strategy, whenever the fast line crosses above, the slow line you enter, whenever it crosses below, you exit. So in Build Alpha, all you would do is in the entry signals, you come down to the MACD. You can see when the MACD histogram crosses above 0, we want to enter, and we want to exit. Same thing, come down to MACD, and you're going to exit when it crosses below 0. No stop loss, nothing like that, holding time, none of that's going to affect it. Just go ahead and hit simulate. This is on SPY from 2000 to 2018, and you can see how fast this test is. Then as soon as we get the results, that's it's all done. You can see right here that I got the signal here, the entry crosses above, and the exit here when it crosses below. I can view the equity curve, pretty choppy. I can view the Monte Carlo, all these things for the strategy that I go into in the Build Alpha videos to help you get through it. But now let's build this more complicated RSI-2 strategy. So this actually has 3 entry rules. So I'm going to clear the exits. I'm going to clear the entries. Now for the entry, the first one is that the RSI-2 is less than 10. Okay, that's right there. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to the SMA rules. And I'm going to find that the close is above the 200. Okay, close is above the 200. And the close is less than the 5 period. Okay, so that's it for the entries. I go to the exits. Same thing. I'm going to go up to the SMA and click on when the close is above, let's see, above the 5. And then same thing, no other exits, testing on SPY 2000 to 2018. Just hit simulate. And the same thing, this is going to bring up the strategies. And then I can just find the one that has those 3 rules for the entry. And then, of course, the 1 rule for the exit. So let's just search through here. Let's find it. Right here, you could see that I have the RSI is less than 10. The close is less than the 5 and above the 200 for the entry. And the exit is the close is above that. And you could see this little strategy. Okay, a little bit better, but a pretty big drawdown in there. And again, I just want to show you. So I did all that. I tested all the combinations and possibilities. I just set the fixed sizing to have a $10,000 account. So those were those results were based on. But let's say that I didn't have a strategy idea and I just wanted Build Alpha to find me the best strategies. What I can do is I can just select all of the entry or all of the exit signals, all of the entry signals. Maybe I want a stop loss, maybe I don't. And then I just hit this continuous simulation. So what this is going to do is Build Alpha is going to start finding the best strategies for me given the input I give it. So Build Alpha will continuously build strategies. And then I have the ability right here in the top left to pause the simulation or stop it when I'm happy with some of the results. So I'm just going to go over here to the combine results. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Just pause it so you can see in that 10 seconds. Here's one of the strategies it built. Okay, much better. So that's basically the idea with Build Alpha. You want to test things very specifically, no problem. You want to have the software do most of the hard work for you. That's available too. And of course, all these advanced tests, robustness testing, the noise test, and things like that Build Alpha is really the leader in bringing the quant trading world to the everyday trader. Hope that helps. As always, email me, david@buildalpha.com. All right, thanks, guys.